The law of cosines. In this video, we shall state and prove law of cosines. We take a triangle ABC with usual notation. Here, the angle formed at vertex A is alpha, the angle formed at vertex B is beta, the angle formed at vertex C is gamma. The side opposite to vertex A is denoted by small letter a. The side opposite to vertex B is denoted by small letter b, and the side opposite to vertex C is denoted by the letter small c. So, according to law of cosines, it states that in any triangle ABC with usual notation, a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos alpha. We take a triangle ABC with usual notation. Take the triangle ABC in such a way that the vertex A is at origin and the coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Now, as we can see that the point C is on x-axis and the coordinates of this point will be B0. The y coordinate of point C is 0 because C lies on x-axis, and on x-axis the y coordinate is 0. The x coordinate is b because the distance of point C along x-axis from A is equal to b. So the coordinates of point C will be b0. Now we find the coordinates of point B. Let's call them x, y. These are rectangular coordinates of point B. Now we find the polar coordinates of this point. For this, uh, we draw a perpendicular BD from B on AC. This perpendicular divides this triangle ABC into two right triangles. We take the right triangle ABD. In right triangle ABD, first note that the AD distance is equal to x and BD distance is equal to y. So we find cos alpha in right triangle ABD. Cos alpha will be equal to x over c, base over hypotenuse. It gives x is equal to c cos alpha. Likewise, uh, in this triangle ABD, sine alpha will be equal to y over c, perpendicular over hypotenuse. Therefore, y will be equal to c sine alpha. Therefore, the coordinates of point B will be c cos alpha, c sine alpha. The value of x coordinate is c cos alpha and the value of y coordinate is c sine alpha. So we have shown that the coordinates of vertices of triangle ABC are a0, 0, b c cos alpha, c sine alpha and c b0. Note that here a is equal to bc, that is the length of side BC is equal to small a. We square both sides and get a square is equal to BC whole square. Now we shall apply the distance formula on BC. Call the coordinates of C to be x2, y2 and coordinates of point B to be x1, y1. Therefore, the distance between them BC whole square will be equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore, a square can be written as b minus c cos alpha whole square plus 0 minus c sin alpha whole square. This is x2 minus x1 whole square and this is y2 minus y1 whole square. We expand the squares and get b square minus 2bc cos alpha plus c square cos alpha plus c square sin square alpha. Now we take c square common from c square cos square alpha plus c square sin square alpha, and we get a square is equal to b square minus 2bc cos alpha plus c square into cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. And we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. Therefore, a square is equal to b square minus 2bc cos alpha plus c square into 1, which gives uh, a square is equal to b square minus 2bc cos alpha plus c square, and this is the law of cosines.